40 years old with 20 years of experience, Mr. Francis B. Abalos proves that passions and dedications are the true driving forces behind success. As a local artist, their journey shows that money is not an obstacle to achieving your dreams. Through perseverance and creativity, Mr. Avalos has crafted a unique voice that continues to inspire and celebrate the power of the artistic expressions. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the honor to present to you an artist whose work pushes boundaries and spark imagination. Please welcome the talented and visionary Mr. Francis B. Abalos.
So much for joining me today. I am Mary Joy Almeida. I'm here on behalf of our project. We're excited to learn about your artistic journey and the impact of Catalogan on your work. To start, sir, can you tell me about you got into art? What's the another moment or experience that you made to decide to pursue it?
Takbuhan, as a pag-focus on art, dinanahan yung pagpapatutunan. Since college, I already started participating in competitions like past cultural competitions. Past cultural competitions in Mexico, every 2 years, mga universities and colleges, yun. Nag-start ako paint and pinapako ng mga painting. College ako, may sabi kami about the paint, about my color combination. That's because our major is architectural drafting. So architectural drafting is a sinusaring ng topic advertising, abnaan, paggamit ng kultura.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your part. For the first question, sir, what does your artwork aim to say or show to your audience, to your audience?
What does my artwork aim to say or to show my audience? So since as of now, our focus is about pre-colonial art. Akong pugit ay kapag na mga artists maging aware kita may nakita mga art dinasispan before pa at mga colonizers, especially mga Spanish. So may ganang mga art. So we're trying to divide those arts. The other group of people na nasupport ng mga pre-colonial artists. Nagkakapan pa ang information. Ngayon kami gapon na research. Kung ano ang pwede pa man namin maipakita ang mga new generations. Especially yan, ang aton na aton Gen Z. So ganito na natin kamutang before pag-colonize sa through art.
The second, sir, was who is your biggest influence in making or creating your art?
Well, my biggest influence in terms of art or creating art, siyempre, ada kita ng Picasso, ada kita ng Monet, ada kita ng mga sikat-sikatan talaga ng mga hindi natin mga professions ng mga artworks like Da Vinci. Usag po ng mga publikasyon ng mga art. Hindi po kagaya ng Picasso ng espiritu. May nakita makukuha dito. Pero, in terms naman na, in terms of international, in terms of national here in Philippines, there are lots of mga things na pwede makasaya na tayo sa kaakon, like Francisco
campus po ng Francisco. Tapos, yeah, pagkakaluna at Sekundaryo. So they are both in mga religion. Tapos Iberian castles pa natin sa computer. Local naman ng mga influencer na in terms of art, nag-influence sa akin in terms of art. Florence Cinco, Florence Cinco. Kasi nito niya national at somewhere in Vietnam. Nagpa-participate na yung mga national exhibits. And also, the Linguimian is from Tapalo. Anyway, my Florence Cinco is from Tapalo. Tapos, there are lots of people na Calvario na pili natin naka-influence kinapon. Pero, sabi ko kanina, pre-colonial art is from Florence Cinco. Yan, ang sinawang pag-uyag-yag makita same thing na mga pananaw ni Florence Cinco o pre-colonial art.
What inspired you to create your art?
What inspired me creating my art, or say everything ata. Everything pwede maging kumbaga mga new generations. Sige natin. In the new generation, they don't have any ideas about what art and isang kitayan na, ako mismo, siyempre, wala yung pinaka-public niya. Ito nga tayo, curriculum niya. Tungod kay diri natin pwede pakita, harap-harapan talaga pinito, tira, may pakita, ay maintindihan, pinito, pakita, maintindihan ng new generations. About ang curriculum niya, nakaka-inspire senior through artworks na yung tatouch ng pre-colonial, tapos i-exhibit mo sa mga lugar ng mga kabataan. Pag nakita ng mga kabataan, uy, suot nga yung mister, ang siya doon ang makaka-spark ka rin mo para ma-inspire ka to do more sa art, right? Uy, ikaw, upay mo na yun. Susuklay doon na, I think, yeah, for me, ayan na, nakaka-inspire ka ako.
What is the importance of art?
The importance of art in a book. Siguro, I am nothing without art. Yes, art na nakahuli ka ako. Tikang pahan, kinder, elementary, high school, college, until now, may art ang nagbuli ka ako. Makasulod nga din SSU, makagraduate, tikang elementary, high school. May art nagbuli ka ako para mag-sustain ng akong allowance during college life. Yeah, it was very hard for us during my time na waray ka sa saling nutrition. You have to do something to help your parents, especially yung allowance, mga expenses sa school. Like, waray ka man, waray, as a student, kung waray ka man hindi mo maaasa ka ng kag-anak talaga, tatapusin na ako. Hindi man sila doon kaya ang harapan mo niya para makahatag yung subad na inanglanan mo sa eskwelahan. Pero tungod ang art, dako kuya contribution financially. Hindi na ako nakuha na akong diskan na akong kapanahonan, makalpaw ka sa cellphone. Nakapataw ka rin ng cellphone. Nakapalitan ko ng talugari ko mga gamit. Nakapalit ako kung ano-ano na nga akong kailangan because of art. Dama nagpapakomission, dama nagpapahimo.
So, di ko gagawin babayaan siyempre ang ating pagparang ang purify ng pagkakas. Pero yun, sugat na importante ka ako ng art. Asya ang dilig yung pagkakas mo
Do you believe, sir, that all of us are blessed? Why all of us?
Saring pa nga ni Pablo Picasso, I don't know, nabasa niya. According to Pablo Picasso, we are all born artists. Sa tanan kita, di pa nga naman artist. Mapansin mo itong halimbawa may nakapag puti, or if you have relatives na nagdala ko between 1 year old to 3 years old, Soviet era going forward. The problem is we don't know how to maintain those art. They are trying to dancing, singing, kabataan. So we are born artists. Tungkol yan mga sisring pa mga samok ng our environment, nalilimtan natin naman. What I mean by samok, those mga distractions. Distractions like nowadays, cell phones or any other gadgets. Tapos, karagihapon ang siguro ang mga kabataan, darang kamay, ada mo ang kwarta, at ito na ibabali na nila interest. So, ang art niya, ating art yun, nawawara. So, yun. So, we are all born artists. But basically, nanigin niya kami Pablo Picasso. And I truly believe that thing.